Hello everyone, this video is sponsored by Wondershare. Dr. Phone is a multifunction software. All items can enjoy 40% off discount. With a customized bundle, enjoy 50% off, valid until 15th January 2020. Restore Social app helps you to transfer WhatsApp history effortlessly, backup WhatsApp conversations, and restore to iOS or Android. And also backup Line, Kik, Viber, WeChat on iOS. This WhatsApp transfer and backup software is fully compatible with all models of iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android. You can transfer WhatsApp to new iPhone using iCloud with local backup or from Google Drive. WhatsApp Backup and Restore program is completely read-only software. It wouldn't keep, modify, or leak any data on your device or in the backup file. Do check out link in below description for special Christmas sale prices exclusively for our channel. You need to enter through the Christmas event page to get the above discounted prices. Thank you.